In this video we are going to be using Python Turtle to draw ourselves the Australian Aboriginal flag. Okay, it's a fairly easy one. All it's made up of is a red rectangle at the bottom, a black background behind that, and just a yellow circle on top of it all. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward with some very simple shapes. So let's get started today by opening up a new file in Python. And the first line I'm going to import, so we're going to write from turtle import star. That imports everything. Okay, so the turtle, remember, allows us to draw images and shapes and whatnot using code in Python. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to change the BG color. So just write BG color with no U in there. Spelled the American way. BG color is the background color, and we're going to set that to black. That's going to be the top half of our flag. We're also going to write in speed and set it to 0 so that there's no animation when the Python turtle draws this shape. It should just automatically appear on the screen. Okay, now our pen starts in the middle of the page when we are drawing using the turtle. Okay, now I'm going to go and write pen up. And what that's going to do is going to lift our pen up off the canvas, so we're no longer drawing lines that will follow our mouse cursor. We're then going to go to the coordinates minus 400, 0. And from there we can put the pen back down because we're now ready to start drawing. Okay, we're going to start drawing the red rectangle, so I'm going to put in a comment. That just tells us we're putting in a red rectangle. First thing I'm going to do is just change the color to red. I should put that in quotation marks. That means the color that we're going to be drawing our shape in a moment is going to be a nice red color. We're going to now put in the begin fill method there, and we're going to start moving forward 800. Then we're going to turn left minus 90 degrees, and we're going to go forward 400 this time. And after that we're going to go left minus 90 degrees again. And we're going to go forward another 800. Left another minus 90 degrees. And then forward 400 again. We'll end underscore fill, bracket the next bit, which means we'll stop filling in that section. And we'll lift our pen up off the page. Okay, so that should draw a red rectangle on the page, and behind that we should have a black background. So let's save it by pressing Ctrl S. We'll just give it the name Aboriginal flag. You can call it Indigenous flag if you'd like, it's up to you. Let's run that code and we'll see what's happening so far. There's our black background and there's our red rectangle over the top of that. Easy so far. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm going to do is just draw the yellow circle on top of both of those rectangles there. So I'll just put in the comment yellow circle. Now because our pen's up, we can go to a new set of coordinates. So I'm going to go to 100, 0. Then I'm going to put my pen down. I'm going to change the color to yellow. Don't forget to use quotation marks around yellow. Then we're going to begin the fill, so we're going to start filling in this shape. And the shape we're making is a circle with 100 for the radius, and we're going to end that fill. After that, we're just going to write hide turtle at the bottom. And we should be good to go now, so Ctrl S to save. And we'll just press F5, we'll go to run and run module up the top. And there's our Indigenous flag. Now I've spelled hide turtle wrong. You can see I've left the I out. So let's fix that quickly. Let's do that one more time. There we go. You can no longer see that little arrow, which is the Python turtle. But that is our Indigenous flag, looking very nice in Python.